Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. I hope everyone is practicing social distancing. It's really important, so I hope that everyone is staying safe, staying home, and welcome to my video. So let's get to it. Oh, there it is. So this is the one that we'll be using today. I love this palette. I feel like it's essential for any makeup artist or just anyone that's like crazy for makeup. All the shades blend in very well and it's one of my favorite palettes to have. It's going to be a Maroon Smokey eye. So without further ado, let's prep our eyes. Okay, so I am always prepping my eyes with a concealer. This is the one that I'll be using, and hey, I actually held it up right this time. So this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. I'm just going to apply this on my eye. I'll also carve my brows out a little bit with this. All right, so I'm just gonna start by, I need to figure out a way where I can hold my mirror and have it not be like, you know, right in front of my face so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm just carving my brows out. So now we have a good base. I'm actually gonna take tape because I want a really sharp sort of winged smoky eye. So I know I look really funny with this thing on, but we need it. Alright, so the first thing that I like to do is I like to set my concealer so that it's easy to blend out my shadows that I'm gonna put and so that my concealer doesn't crease. So I just take a little bit of loose powder and I set it. Alright, so the first shade that I'm taking from this palette is this one right here, and I'm going to be applying that all over my lid. Tapping off the excess. I'm doing a pretty dark, intense look today, so this is going to be my transition shade. I'm just applying this on a windshield wiper motion and in circular motion as well, kind of fading it out. Good, done. The next shade I'll be taking is this one, and I'm going to apply that just on my lid, and I'm not smoking this one out yet. Just pack it in and deepen it up. Good, just like that. So the next shade that I'm taking is this deeper sort of brown shade. I basically want to create like a V shape, and I want to pack this on my outer lid just like that. Just creating a V and gently taking it into my eye socket halfway, like right about here, and then bringing it back and creating that V. Again, we'll go in and blend everything out later. For now, just pack it in and don't use too much. Work gently and slowly. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. Now we're gonna go in with a clean blending brush, and we are going to, without taking any product on this, I am going to run this at the top right here and sort of windshield wiper motion it out. Now I'm going to take that same brush and I'm going to do the same thing with the outer V, but I'm not taking it anywhere except for the outer corner. So I'm just kind of running it very gently, barely touching the skin and blending that outwards. I'm going to take this shade on this small blending brush and I'm going to pack that on the outer part completely against this tape that we laid down. Take it to like the third of your eye right there, but keeping it just on the outer corner of your eye. And really, just really start blending this against the tape because I want like the sharp sort of look. We're going to go in with that clean brush again, and we're going to blend this black shadow in our lid so that it has a more smoother transition. be very careful when you're using this black shadow. You want to use, you know, little by little to build it up. So now I'm just gently taking it at the top here and I'm stopping it right in the middle of my eyelid. This is just to give it more dimension, to give it a bit more of a depth, and I'm continuing to blend while I'm at it. I don't want any harsh lines. I want this to blend seamlessly. I want it to look like it goes from one thing to another, but like you can't tell where the line is. It is possible that your initial maroon shade that you put down, it might have gotten a little more subtle, and if you want to deepen that up, you just go back with that shade, and this time you can lay it over top of the black. That is fine to do because that will help. Since it's a lighter shade, it will help to create a smoother transition. Go back with the brush that you were blending with, and now again start blending that black shadow into the third of your eyelid. Don't go past the third, don't go like straight to the middle anymore. You want to keep this on the outer part. So now I'm going in with that little pencil brush again, and I'm going to pack that black shade, and this part is going to be our darkest point. Now if you want a more intense look, you can definitely take a gel pencil liner and you can draw it a wing and then just smudge that and then apply the black shadow on top of it. But for me, this is the most intense that I really want it. Again, blending is key, so you want to blend as you go. So I'm going to go in with this deeper maroon shade and apply that and marry it between the black and the maroon, because I want that seamless transition. You want it to look like the black turned into the maroon, or the maroon is slowly turning into black. So you want a seamless transition between the two shades. And we're going to blend everything in the front. Perfect. So let's remove that. This is essentially what you should be looking at. I'm taking the initial transition shade that we used and I am putting that at the bottom of my lash. Okay, just like that. I'm taking the maroon shade now, applying that. Now you want to go in with that deeper brown shade as close to your waterline as possible. Here you have two options. You can go in with a maroon eyeliner to put on your waterline, or you can go in with a black. It depends on how intense you want it. I have a maroon eyeliner here and I'm just going to line my waterline. I'm going to smudge out my lower lash line with this black. Very, very little. And of course, while you're doing this, you're connecting it to the top as well. You want it all to look like it's together. You want to marry it. I love using that. You want to marry it together. So this is what it should be looking like. Right now, everything is very well blended. Now, the next step is for you to line it. So I'm just using a regular drugstore liner. I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye, curl my lashes, and then apply some falsies, and I'll be right back. Alright my loves, I am done. This is what the look looks like after I have completed both of my eyes. I know it's really, really dramatic. I also deepened up my bottom lower lash line as well. I'm just wiping my hands before I apply my foundation and my primer and stuff. I'm actually going in with this Embryolisse primer and moisturizer on my face. My hair is such a mess. I'm not even dry. All right, so the foundation that I'm going in with today is the NYX. Damn, this foundation is way too light. Why does this always happen to me? It's okay, as usual, we'll make it work. Wow, I'm like a ghost. Going in with this Maybelline Age Rewind. This is in the shade Hazelnut, and I am going to use this to deepen up my foundation and sort of contour with it. I'm just taking this Smashbox full coverage foundation brush. It looks like this, and I'm going to buff this in. I hope that people are sanitizing and they're keeping safe at this time. Sorry, I took the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I actually really love this concealer. I really like it. It's so freaking nice. It's full coverage. It doesn't look cakey on you. I mean, really can't get better than this. I need shows to watch. If you guys have any shows that you want to recommend me, you know, I need to watch something. I have watched Friends a billion times. I really love this one show called, it's called The Happy Place? The Sacred Place. I think it's called The Good Place. Hold up, let me do this first. I can't think. I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still hear your touch in my... Is it dreams? Feel dreams in my sleep? Alright, so I'm just bronzing my face. I'm using the Physician formula and taking an angled bronzing brush. I am bronzing up my face because Lord knows I need it after applying such a light foundation. I kept on calling this thing a thing in my last video. It's basically Beauty Blender Puff. If it's called something else, please let me know. I don't remember. Alright, so I'm just baking my under eyes with my Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 20. I'm sorry I didn't show it to you. Definitely have to go back and redo my under eye, like the shadow that I put down, which is completely fine. I anticipated this anyways. Time to take this bake off. Crease be gone. I wonder what kind of hair would look nice with this look. Okay, we'll do this after I'm done the whole look. I don't know what I'm trying to do right now. I just messed up my whole hair. I'm taking this L'Oreal Paradise in Charming Swirl. Hitting my cheeks with that. And I'm keeping it above my cheekbones as usual. You know, I was gonna speed all this up because who wants to see me do my face and hear me talk? But I think I'm not going to speed it up anymore. I'm just gonna leave it. Because maybe someone is out there who wants to see me talk while I apply makeup. I think I'm done this nose contour. Yeah, so I'm taking Deeply Intoxicated and I'm gonna line my lip. That's not too bad. Alright, the lipstick that I'm going in with is the Anastasia Beverly Hills in On Mute. Alright, I wasn't happy with the lip liner that I used, so I'm just using this one from NYX. It's like a deep magenta, kind of. It's called Clubhopper. There, I'm happy with it finally. My lips are looking plump. So I'm taking this shade right here and I'm going to just apply that in my inner corner. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Just look at what that did to this freaking eye look. And then take some under my brow bone. So you know what? I'm actually gonna highlight my face with that. Is that a bad idea? I'm gonna try. Wish me luck. Let's highlight my face with that. Oh my gosh, yes, yes. Oh, I'm shocked. This is so good. This is so good. Taking that in the middle of my nose and then the button of my nose and then just on my Cupid's bow. It looks like I'm highlighting like literally my entire face. And let me assure you, I am. Yes. Alright guys, I've gone ahead and sprayed my Pixi Glow Mist on my face to set my face, and this right here is the finished look. I'll just come a little closer so you can see how it's looking. If you enjoyed spending time with me and you enjoyed this look, please don't forget to leave a like, thumbs up this video, comment down below, and subscribe to this channel so that you can find more looks like this. And I appreciate you. I want you all to stay safe, stay inside, do things that you love, and leave a comment below letting me know what you're doing with your time off right now at home. And until next time, take care and I love you.